In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete 1,000 emails in Gmail in just a few minutes. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in. Once in your inbox, locate the small checkbox at the top left and click it to select multiple emails at once. A message will appear letting you know how many conversations you've selected. Click on Select All Conversations in Primary to highlight every email in your inbox, not just the visible ones. Next, click the trash can icon at the top to delete all selected emails. They'll move to the trash folder and will be permanently deleted after 30 days. Or you can remove them immediately from trash if needed. To keep your inbox clutter-free, consider using labels to organize emails, filters to automatically sort or delete messages, and templates for frequent responses. Don't forget to unsubscribe from newsletters or promotions you no longer want. And that's it. You've cleared a massive amount of emails quickly and learned ways to manage your inbox more efficiently. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life.